what does this, and this have in common? They all use this. It's 2018. Is there still a place for the good old stylus? Hey, welcome to another Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name is Liron Segev, where I make technology simple. So, to the stylus, I mean, it's been around forever. My first stylus was in 1998, a PDA called the Liron. Anyone remember that? And there was a Palm Pilot after that, and there's a myriad of other phones. The first kind of smartphone that I used with a stylus was the Note 1. Apple said, well, nobody ever needs a stylus. And then Apple came out with the Apple Pencil. So the stylus has still been around. So when I was sent this particular stylus for review, I was a bit concerned. I mean, it's 2018. Do we still need a stylus? Well, I put it through its paces, and let me show you. So this is called the Metro High Sensitivity Stylus. And when you open the box, you'll notice you get 1 and 2 of these things, and you get lots of replacement nibs. Now, let's just look at one more closely, because this is where it gets interesting. So over here you can see you got the initial side. It's just a different texture to the one that you're used to. You're probably used to seeing the one that's kind of a little plasticky, rubbery thingy. Okay, that's the one side. But have a look on the other side. I'm going to open it up. Now here you'll see that you've got a weird looking nib with a plastic circle around that. Now don't try to remove the circle, it's meant to be there. I'm going to show you exactly why that's quite cool. And I can use the stylus obviously to navigate left and right. Anything that my fingers can do, the stylus will be able to do as well. Okay, but here's where the real magic of this pen comes in. So here's the Techie Duck. I want to take a picture for my Instagram story. And typically I would use my finger to be able to add additional details. So now I'm going to write something on the screen. Now here's where the problem comes in. The problem is I cannot see through my finger. So I cannot see where the lines start, where the lines stop, and I cannot see what the previous location was. And therefore everything is pretty much a guess. So here's another example. I'm using one of my drawing apps. I'm looking to draw something, but I cannot see the previous lines. So everything is roughly an estimate where the previous line stopped. When you start using the pen, you start getting much greater control. Now I can see through it, I can see through that little disc, I know exactly where the lines start, where the lines stop, and I've got much greater control. Please note, using the pen does not make you a better artist, just saying. So if you missed the episode on Tech Tip Tuesday where I talk about additional functionality within Word, drawing is one of those functionalities. There'll be a card somewhere up here so you can link straight to it. But again, using the pen, I've got much greater control on my touchscreen, be able to draw in much greater detail. Alright, so overall I'm pretty impressed with this little guy. For something that I didn't think I would actually use, let alone need, I'm actually using this more and more often. But I like the idea of having that weird tip with the nibs. I'm sure there's an official name for it, I just don't know what it is. But the little thing with the little dot here, I like the idea that you can actually do some precision work. Great job. Link in the description below. Thanks guys for sending it for me to check out. I really didn't think I would use it, but I'm pleasantly surprised. And that wraps up another Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button because that's what you need to do. And if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up because that's always helpful. And of course, feel free to share this video with anyone who you think might find this useful. And I'll see you guys on the next episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. Cheers for now.